Good afternoon, everybody. So we've got this all done. This is in real time here. As you see the videos come up, I'm in the sun posting them. Looks like, hoping that little bit of oil right there is from, because I pressure tested it, I'm hoping it's just from it going in the water grills. Temperature too high, cannot use the flash. Whew. All right, let's try this thing out. That's a little low, huh, on the idle. Let's just make sure it doesn't need to get going. It's peeing good. I also did a lower unit. I also did the impeller. Most people do that little thing on the bottom right down there. Most people do that little cap down there. I still have it. Looks alright. Sounds alright. Any water in that gas? We'll see in a few minutes if it starts collecting right there. I've eliminated my thingies. Okay, let's put it in gear. I need to come up on the idle just a little. There's reverse, neutral, forward. We're going to come up on the idle just a little. I need to twist this barrel right here. Twist that barrel, I'm going to undo this clip, twist that barrel, pull it out of there. I'll do it when I get up there because I don't want to drop my phone. Ooh. That sounded like, yeah. That sounds like a plug's arcing in there somewhere. That was a weird sound. Ooh. Here it goes again. Might have to check on these plugs. You hear that? That's a plug arcing down the plug somewhere. I'm gonna have to check at night. Yeah, we need to bring the idle up. We're definitely got something going on in there. I think the idle needs to come up. Alright, we'll get back to you.